When it comes to dependable water service lines, Uponor ServicePEX offers a durable, freeze-resistant, and flexible solution built to handle tough underground conditions. Uponor ServicePEX is an angle method PEX-A pipe designed for municipal water service lines, certified to the AWWA C904 standard for water service, tested for up to 12 months of UV resistance, holds a 200 psi and 73.4 degrees Fahrenheit rating, has the highest chlorine resistance rating, which is a 5 per ASTM F2023. It's approved for use with AWWA C904 fittings and valves and is covered by a 25-year transferable limited warranty on pipe and ProPEX expansion fittings. Use Uponor ServicePEX for underground water service, from the curb stop to residential or light commercial buildings. Don't use ServicePEX in UV exposed or above ground applications unless it is properly protected. It's also not intended for hot water use or indoor plumbing distribution. ServicePEX can be used with Uponor's ProPEX connection. Make sure that you always follow local code for depth of bury and backfill that with appropriate material, avoiding sharp rocks or edges. With its freeze resistance, flexibility, and strength, Uponor ServicePEX delivers long-lasting performance and peace of mind for underground water service connections.